Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build a profitable e-commerce store from scratch, even if you've never done it before. If you're ready to turn your online business dreams into reality, stick around because we're diving in. Step 1. Choose your niche. Step 1 is to choose your niche. This means finding a market that you're passionate about and that has demand. Start by researching trends, using tools like Google Trends, and identifying gaps in the market. Your niche should be specific enough to target a dedicated audience, but broad enough to allow for growth. Research trends. Identify your passion. Evaluate market demand. Step 2. Set up your store. Next, it's time to set up your store. There are plenty of platforms available. Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce. The choice depends on your needs and budget. For beginners, Shopify is a great option because of its user-friendly interface and powerful integrations. Remember, a clean, easy-to-navigate website will keep customers coming back. Step 3. Design and user experience. Your website's design is crucial. Invest time in choosing a theme that reflects your brand. Use high-quality images, and ensure your site is mobile-friendly. A seamless user experience builds trust and encourages sales. Tip: professional visuals, clear navigation, mobile optimization. Step 4. Marketing strategies. Now let's talk about marketing. There are several channels you can leverage. SEO. Optimize your content for search engines to attract organic traffic. Social media. Platforms like Instagram and Facebook are perfect for promoting your products. Email marketing. Build an email list and engage your customers with regular updates and promotions. Paid ads. Invest in targeted ads to reach a larger audience quickly. Each channel plays a part in driving traffic and boosting sales. Step 5. Managing and scaling your store. Once your store is up and running, focus on management and scaling. Use analytics to monitor performance, adjust your strategies based on data, and continually optimize your website for conversions. Don't be afraid to experiment. A/B testing can help you understand what works best for your audience. Tip: monitor analytics, test, and optimize. Listen to customer feedback. Building a profitable e-commerce store from scratch isn't an overnight process, but with the right strategy and perseverance, you can turn your passion into a thriving business. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more actionable content, and leave your questions or experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.